This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Metal bunk beds have become one of the most in-demand, highly profitable, and visually appealing furniture items in today's market. As living spaces shrink and buyers look for durability, safety, style, and multipurpose functionality, metal bunk beds stand out as a product category that consistently brings strong sales, excellent profit margins, and long-term customer satisfaction. In this narration, we will explore the full landscape of modern metal bunk bed design, from structural innovations to aesthetic trends and from customer preferences to profit-driving features. This is not just a look at what makes metal bunk beds beautiful, but a deep journey into how the right designs can elevate your brand, increase your earnings, and shape a successful business model for years to come. Metal bunk beds today reflect a transformation in how people live, work, sleep, and use their home environments. Decades ago, bunk beds were thought of as simple structures reserved for children's rooms or dormitories, but modern interior demands have changed this completely. Families now want elegant furniture that fits into small rooms without compromising quality or appearance. Young adults want minimalism and sophistication. Rental owners need strength and durability that withstand years of use. Hostels, dormitories, and shared living operators need beds that accommodate multiple people safely while maximizing floor space and maintaining a clean look. Metal bunk beds fit perfectly into all of these needs because they combine strength, style, and practicality in a single structure. The most powerful advantage that metal brings to bunk bed design is structural confidence. Customers want furniture they can trust. They want beds that do not shake, squeak, bend, or weaken over time. Even buyers who do not understand engineering instinctively recognize the security that a strong metal frame offers. People want long-lasting furniture because replacing large items is inconvenient and expensive. When buyers see thick steel tubing, smooth welding, solid ladder attachment, and reinforced safety rails, they immediately feel they are purchasing something worth their money. This sense of durability is a major reason buyers are willing to pay significantly more for metal bunk beds than for many wooden alternatives, especially in environments where beds receive heavy use. Another important factor in the popularity of metal bunk beds is the ability to keep designs minimal and visually light while still remaining extremely strong. Modern interior aesthetics emphasize simple lines, open spaces, and uncluttered arrangements. A well-made metal bunk bed looks sleek rather than bulky. The structure is visually balanced and harmonizes with modern wall colors, flooring choices, and lighting styles. A matte black or charcoal gray frame, for example, fits effortlessly into contemporary apartments, studio units, multipurpose rooms, and fully furnished rentals. Even families seeking beds for children often choose metal over wood when they want a style that looks contemporary rather than rustic. Design preferences have shifted so much toward minimalism that the sleekness of metal is now a selling feature in itself. One of the strongest profitability factors behind metal bunk beds is scalability. Once you finalize a design, you can reproduce it consistently. Metal fabrication allows you to create templates for every cut, angle, joint, and weld. After the first prototype, the production process becomes efficient and predictable, allowing for quick turnaround times and consistent quality. This makes bulk orders achievable and profitable. Hostel owners, rental operators, schools, and dormitories often order multiple units at once, and a single large contract like this can generate a substantial income boost. Metal bunk beds, due to their durability and long lifespan, are also excellent for repeat business. When your product performs well in one location, the customer often returns to furnish more rooms or expand into new properties. The design potential of metal bunk beds is almost limitless, and this is where creativity becomes a business asset.
One popular approach is creating visually balanced frames that highlight symmetry and geometric simplicity. These beds often include horizontal and vertical bars that reinforce the structure while adding sleek design elements. Customers appreciate the elegance of straight lines combined with the reliability of thick steel. Powder coating adds a luxurious texture and ensures long-term protection against rust and scratches. Dark finishes remain the most popular, but white, gray, sand, and silver tones also sell well depending on the intended interior environment. Another direction that brings higher sales involves integrating wood elements into the metal design. The combination of warm wood and cool steel creates a hybrid aesthetic that appeals to buyers who want both durability and visual comfort. Wooden headboards, slatted bases, or stepped surfaces on the latter soften the industrial feel of metal and give the bed a premium appearance. This fusion approach is especially attractive in modern family homes, Airbnb-style rentals, and studio apartments where every piece of furniture must contribute to the room's atmosphere. Metal and wood hybrids offer a unique style that elevates the entire space, and because of their sophisticated look, they naturally command higher selling prices. Metal bunk beds designed for adults are a particularly profitable niche because they require reinforced strength, thicker materials, and enhanced safety features. Many consumers now want bunk beds that can comfortably support full-grown individuals rather than only children. This opens doors to additional markets such as temporary accommodations, staff housing, student apartments, and guest rooms. When you build adult-rated bunk beds with strong welds, stable legs, well-reinforced railings, and high weight capacity, you create products that can serve a broader demographic. The value of such a bed is significantly higher because the customer understands that safety, comfort, and longevity are guaranteed. This sense of trust becomes a selling tool in itself, and when buyers believe in your product, they readily invest in it. Loft-style metal bunk beds have also become extremely important in the modern market. A loft bed is essentially a single elevated bed with open space underneath. This lower space can be used as a study area, a workspace, a storage center, or even a seating zone. Young adults, students, and small space renters love loft beds because they allow them to fit both sleeping and working areas within the same footprint. This efficient use of vertical space is more valuable than people realize. Many buyers specifically search for loft beds that include built-in desks, shelves, or lighting. When you design a loft bed with a solid upper frame, wide climbing steps, and strong cross-bracing, you create a product that enhances productivity while maintaining safety. These beds tend to sell at premium prices because they turn small rooms into fully functional living environments. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.